I have removed this nest thinking that this is the old nest, but after removing I have seen there are 4 eggs in it. So if you can see, there are 4 eggs. So I have done the mistake by removing thinking that this is the old nest, but I request you all, if the old nest is there, you do not remove it. Birds still use this. So I'm going to place this again in the plant, but I'm not sure if how it is going to stand the way the bird has nested. You can see the eggs clearly. I'm going to keep this in the old place. Thanks for the watch, friends.